This video demonstration consists of a number of pages which has been designed to answer most of your questions about high-range PCA. Sit back and relax and let me take you through the information. The penalties for this offence are set out in this page. To help you understand this page, it's important that you understand a number of terms. The minimum period of disqualification is exactly that. The minimum disqualification period the court can impose if you are convicted. The automatic period of disqualification is the period of disqualification that you can expect to receive unless there is good reason to reduce it. Before I go any further, I need to tell you about the guideline judgment. The Court of Criminal Appeal set out a list of guidelines for the lower courts to follow when they sentence an offender charged with high-range PCA. The court constructed an ordinary case of high-range PCA to use as a model against which a sentencing court can determine whether the case before it is similar or more or less serious. These 2 pages set out the factors that are considered to be part of an ordinary case. After identifying the ordinary case, the court then gave guidelines to sentencing courts to deal with all offenders within the ordinary case. These 2 pages set out the guidelines for an ordinary case first offence. This page sets out the guidelines for an ordinary case second offence. The court then listed a number of factors that make the offence more serious. They refer to this as the moral culpability being increased. The next 2 pages set out the factors that increase the moral culpability. The court then set out further guidelines to sentencing courts when the moral culpability has been increased. The next 2 pages set out these guidelines. The next 3 pages contain statistics of all offenders dealt with by courts before and after the guideline judgment in respect of high-range PCA offences. To make sense of these pages, it's important that you understand a few more terms. Section 10 is an abbreviation of Section 10 of the Crime Sentencing Procedure Act. The practical effect of a Section 10 is that there is no criminal conviction and no loss of licence. Section 9, Good Behaviour Bond. The court may require you to enter a bond to be of good behaviour for a period of time. If you are of good behaviour, then that is all the punishment you will receive. However, if you breach the good behaviour bond, the court can summons you to court and impose a greater penalty. CSO is an abbreviation for Community Service Order. This is unpaid work in the community. Periodic detention is part-time jail, 2 days per week, either on the weekend or midweek. Suspended sentence. This is a jail sentence that is not effective unless you breach a good behaviour bond. Home detention is a full-time jail sentence which is served at your home. This page contains statistics in respect to the periods of disqualification imposed for the offence. The next 6 pages relate to the interlock device program. The interlock device is a device that is fitted to your car and does not allow you to start the ignition of your vehicle until you pass a breath test. The main advantage of the program is that you can normally obtain your driver's license back a lot earlier than normal. Should you require further information or want us to act for you, please call us.